Some sewing techniques do have you lower the feed dogs down, or feed teeth if that's what you call them. But in this machine, let me show you how it's kind of set up for you. So there's a certain couple stitches, for example, to sew a button on. Those will be stitches that we will actually have, when you pick it, you will hear the feed dogs lower. And so they will stay down while you're on that stitch. Another thing that you will find you will have the feed dogs lowered is, of course, when you do free motion. So anytime you activate any one of these three settings for free motion stitching, the feed dogs will lower and stay down depending on which foot you're actually using. Now there are times where I like to have the feed dogs lowered and to do something different. Now I could not find a switch on this particular machine, as a lever. It's all done in the machine, but I was happy to find that in the free motion setting, the Sensormatic free motion. And if I touch and hold, do you remember here the little arrow in any corner, lower right corner, you see that? It is right here on this button, it's right here on the trash can. It's a couple other places within this machine, means you can touch and long hold for another option to pop up. So what I was finding is that I could set the pressure, meaning how heavy this foot came down, and if I went all the way to -5, the foot is fairly close down, and I could do something that would indicate I didn't want the fabric move, but maybe I was doing some stitches that need to go back and forth more than the ones that are built in. So if you need to lower the feed dogs, do use the free motion settings for your use. Otherwise, the machine's going to lower them when you need them lowered, and keep them up when you need them up.